By 2022, Nike's supply chain was in chaos. Factory closures in Vietnam caused 60-day delays, costing $600 million in lost sales. Climate goals demanded a 65% emissions cut by 2030. Customers and investors demanded action. Nike pivoted with 3 strategies: hyperlocal factories near the US and EU, lead times to 10 days. Forecasting used social media and weather data to predict demand with 95% accuracy. Blockchain tracking ensured real-time carbon monitoring for materials like recycled polyester. Results by 2023: $2 billion added revenue from optimized inventory, 40% faster product launches, 18% drop in supply chain emissions. Key lessons: agility, local production, beats cheap labor. Turns data into profit. Sustainability attracts eco-conscious buyers.